Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights together. I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you, so let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic: Best Keywords Research Tool for Blogger. For Blogger, choosing the right keyword research tool is crucial for optimizing their content for search engines and driving organic traffic to their websites. Here are some of the best keyword research tools tailored for bloggers. 1. Google Keyword Planner. Ideal for beginners and budget-conscious bloggers, as it's free to use with a Google Ads account, provides keyword ideas, search volume, data, competition levels, and bid estimates. Offers insights into keyword trends and historical data. 2. SEMrush offers a comprehensive suite of SEO tools, including keyword research, competitive analysis, and site auditing. Provides detailed keyword metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and SERP features. Offers keyword suggestions based on competitor analysis and related keywords. 3. Ahrefs Keywords Explorer, known for its extensive database of keywords and backlink data, provides keyword metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and clicks data. Offers keyword ideas, related keywords, and questions based on seed keywords. 4. Moz Keyword Explorer offers keyword suggestions, search volume data, and keyword difficulty scores. Provides insights into SERP features such as featured snippets, people also ask, and related searches. Offers competitive analysis features to compare your site's keyword performance with competitors. 5. Ubersuggest. Developed by Neil Patel, Ubersuggest offers keyword suggestions, search volume data, and keyword difficulty scores. Provides insights into top ranking pages, backlink data, and content ideas. Offers a free version with limited features and a paid subscription for advanced functionality. 6. Keyword Tool.io offers keyword suggestions for Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, and other platforms. Provides long-tail keyword suggestions, autocomplete predictions, and related searches. Offers a free version with limited functionality and a paid subscription for additional features. 7. Longtail Pro specializes in finding long-tail keywords with low competition and high search volume. Provides keyword competitiveness, scores, SERP analysis, and rank tracking features. Offers a user-friendly interface and keyword filtering options. When choosing a keyword research tool, consider factors such as your budget, the depth of keyword data required, user interface preferences, and additional features offered by each tool. Many tools offer free trials or basic versions with limited functionality, allowing bloggers to test them out before committing to a subscription. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.